Hi everybody, and happy Monday. It's your friend Ryan Rolfe with the dsmSOLD team at Keller Williams Legacy Group here in Des Moines in Central Iowa with a quick market update as we head into March, if you can believe it. Today's stats and insights, as always, are brought to you by Les Holgrove and Simply Des Moines Stats. Thanks always, Les, for the amazing data that you provide us agents. We super appreciate it. First thing we want to talk about is interest rates. The 30-year national fixed rate dropped below 6.6% nationally. That's something that a lot of buyers have been waiting for, a number that starts with a 5. And it may not stay there every week. They can bounce up and down a little bit, but mid to high 5s is likely what we're looking at into spring. And especially as we look at our local market, it's important to note that we tend to see rates that are a little bit lower than the national average. Days on market overall are at about 58. That does include new construction. So if we're looking specifically at resale, we're looking at more around a month. And that means homes are taking about 30 to 60 days on average to sell, depending on condition and price. The bigger headline, though, is months of inventory. We dropped from about 4.2 months of inventory in January to 3.4 in February. So that's going from a balanced market to a more seller-leaning market. And we're in a seller-leaning market price point-wise under a $500,000, which is where demand is strongest. What does that mean going into March? Well, buyers, be ready, because if rates stay under 6%, competition will certainly ramp up. And make sure that you have your lender lined up, know your comfort payment, and are able to move quickly on the right home. It doesn't look like we're going to be seeing a market like 2022, but certainly things are moving. For those of you that are selling, pricing the home appropriately, staging, preparation, those are all things that are very important, as they always been, just because you've got more competition, so we want to make sure that you're standing out against your competition. If you're curious about what this means for you, if you're buying or if you're selling, feel free to reach out. We're happy to chat with you about a strategy for your next move, and would love to have the opportunity to connect. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you have an amazing week. Bye!